my channel. So today I bought something new for you guys. I hope you'll like this video. If you do so, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And stay tuned for more Diwali videos. Let's get started with the video. Here are the material you'll need. So here I am using fevicryl molded clay to make this decor. It's easily available in the market. You'll get two bases and you have to mix it together very well. I have lined a baking paper underneath so that it doesn't stick to the surface. Now here I am using some talcum powder so it glides on my hand very easily. Now roll it as I am rolling it. Now here I am using MDF cutout sheet. You can use cardboard also. Here I have marked 2 cm gaps from sides. And now I am sticking the clay with the help of fevicol. Make 2 of these, one for Shubh and one for Lakh. And now I am putting some design over it using a clay tool. You can use a toothpick also to give this kind of texture. Now here I am using acrylic paint to paint it. Here I am using a 0 number tip brush. To enhance the texture, I am coloring in it. Now it's decoration time. I am using mirror and beads. You can use whatever you have in your hand. Now, it's the last but not least part, attaching tassels to it. I'm here using 2 colors of tassels, red and yellow. You can use any color you want. Here I'm attaching tassels with cello tape. You can use any type of tape. And for it to hang on the wall, I'm using double-sided tape. And here our DIY decor is completed. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you do so, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you soon in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye and take care.